So we're packing up about 600 of our Snag Bag orders. That'll go nationwide to pretty much any native that has reached out to us to get these supplies. And so we have a bunch of volunteers today. They're helping us go from packing all the way down to shipping out. And so we have 600 orders that we need to fill, and so if we have extra stuff, we're going to do it to where we can pre-pack to be prepared for the next, hopefully 600.
And we have the Recovery as Possible business card, so you can get linked in too here. We have the HIV self-test kit, which results within 20 minutes. We have Narcan. We have Plan B. And then we have condoms. And then we have lube as well to keep lubricated. And then we have dental dams as well. And then we'll have some fentanyl test strips. That way you can test your medication that you're taking as well.
Just wanted to help out to make sure that somebody is helping. And it's just for a good cause. They need help. I wasn't doing anything, so might as well come help.
This can literally save lives. I mean, we just reported our 295th fatality prevented through our mail-out system, and so these themed ways is a way to get people to kind of think about harm reduction in a way, so that way they can have a reason to obtain these supplies, and then hopefully it can save their life.